If you want to move data from the USB flash drive to POCO F7 or from POCO F7 to USB flash drive, once you connect to the flash drive, what you need to do is use some sort of file manager. In the case of POCO F7, by default, we have two file managers, the File Manager app and Files. This one is made by Google. In this video, I'm gonna actually use this file manager over here. So in order to transfer something, let's say we're gonna start by transferring something from the phone to the flash drive. And in this case, I'm going to use images. So if we go to images, we can just press and hold in order to start selecting everything that we wish to transfer. And then at the bottom, we have move option. Since we are transferring from phone to flash drive, we need to choose USB storage, and then we need to decide where we want to place our files. Once you choose the folder, you can press this check in the top right corner. And there we go. We are transferring files. And after a short while, all these files will be moved. Now, if you want to transfer something different like files, then of course over here we also have internal storage where we have access to all folders and files, etc. So you can go through these options as well, and you can try to find something over here in order to transfer. You can even transfer whole folders as well. There is no issue with that. Now, if you want to transfer something from the flash drive to the phone, then it looks pretty similar. You can do that in a similar manner. More precisely, we need to go to USB device, of course, in order to open these folders, and we need to find our files. So let's say over here I have my screenshots again, so I can select them. There we go, choose move again, and this time we need to choose the internal storage, of course, because we are transferring to our phone. And I'm going to place it over here in the CIM in screenshots folder, press check in order to transfer, and there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.